Hello good friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emma. If you are new here, hi, I hope you're having a fabulous day. We have another weekly reading vlog coming at you guys this week. For me right now, it's actually Friday. It's the end of the week, but before we get into the week, I want to thank the sponsor of today's video. Once again, Glasses USA, thank you so much for wanting to work with me again, for wanting to make sure my eyeballs can function like eyeballs. I actually have some help with me today to tell you about today's sponsor. Look at him, you look so smart. Okay, so if you've never heard of Glasses USA before, you probably have because all the glasses I wear in my vlogs are from them. So they are an online glasses retailer company offering up to 70% off retailing prices for glasses. You guys can add absolutely any kind of prescription to basically any pair of glasses on their website, even sunglasses, and of course you can get the blue light blocking lenses. You can get blue light blocking by themselves as well. You don't need to have like a prescription in there if you just want to protect your child's eyes from watching too much TV. Do we know the optics of aliens? No, I don't think so. Now, I've gone glasses shopping before, you know, like in a store and stuff like that, but online on Glasses USA, I've never seen such like good quality. Like I absolutely love these glasses for really affordable prices. A complete pair of glasses, including the frames and the lenses, starts at only $30. You want to swap? Let's swap. Oh God, oh God. If you guys are nervous about ordering online or buying glasses online, you know, because it can be quite the intimidating experience, standard shipping for glassesusa.com is completely free. And as well, if you aren't satisfied once the glasses arrive at your door, you can absolutely choose to return them. No questions asked, no hassle. You can return after 14 days for a full refund or to exchange and switch up the glasses or the product you choose. Shall we try on some more glasses? Baby Yoda today is modeling the Amelia E. Barbara for you guys. And I'm wearing the Atato Smith. I don't think this one's completely you. I think I kind of want these ones. These ones are the Atato Waterloo. If you guys are interested in getting a new pair of glasses for yourself, I will leave absolutely all the links down below to all the pairs I mentioned, and as well a general link to the website. So a huge thank you to Glasses USA for letting me see the books that I read. So yes, thank you so much for wanting to work with me again. It was lovely as always, and let's get into the reading vlog. You look freaking fabulous, my dude. Good morning guys, and welcome to another weekly vlog. Hi, how are you? It's Emma. Yes, I'm in a very messy space right now. I feel like my desk is a little bit of a mess. So I think first things first, I'm going to clean it up super quickly. I have like 6 things on the go, which is crazy, but I'm really enjoying reading so many things at once. It's a really nice experience, and Then the next thing I want to do is get my reading month for March planned out, because like I said, I've been trying to do a bit more planning and find specifically and choose specifically what books I want to read for the coming month. So I thought I would film basically a whole video on that today, and as well like other bookish things within that video, not just picking books for March, but essentially kind of like a March plan video, a March planning video, I don't know. But okay, you know what, let's just clean first and then I'll tell you about the books. All right, good evening guys. It is now a little after 9 p.m. I currently just put acne cream all over my face because I'm breaking out. But I just made some chamomile tea. It's still way too hot to drink, so and I just managed to squeeze in reading my 14 pages of the Pickwick Papers today. I was listening to a little bit of it. I just finished listening up to it actually. So now I am 87 pages through, almost hit the 100-page mark, and yeah, I'm really enjoying it. There's definitely a lot that I found to talk about. Yeah, but other than that, I've mostly been listening to Deadly Dreams. I'm really liking this one. I'm really liking it. I'm just so attached to like every single character now, and I just want everyone to be happy and okay, but I know that's not the case. I think my favorite character is Fortuna. Fortuna is definitely still my favorite character. She's our protagonist. She's a nightmare, so if she touches you, she can make you feel your worst fear, make you experience it. And her and her brother Damon, they're both nightmares. They're kind of the last of their kind. And then of course there's like fairy kings, different fae, we have werewolves, necromancers. It's just a very varied supernatural fantasy world. And yeah, aside from Fortuna though, I do really love Colith. Like, I think I would definitely root for Colith. I really love Colith. He is the king of the Unseelie court. Yeah, I just really love Colith. I really love Colith. Yeah, but honestly, everyone in this book is great. I really love absolutely everyone, or I hate them. So it's just such a nice, comforting, kind of escapist read. So it's nice to have a little bit of balance between Charles Dickens English literature and smut. So there's actually a lot of plot, okay? There's a lot of plot in the Fortuna Sworn series, but anyway, I am going to, I think, either finish or start exporting the vlog I was working on, or I am just going to curl up in bed with my tea and maybe listen to some ASMR or listen more to Deadly Dreams to finish it up, because I honestly don't want to pick up The Year of the Witching. Like, nothing in me wants to get back to it, so like I kind of put that on in the background when I'm doing other things, because I don't like just sitting and listening to it. It's not that kind of book for me, unfortunately. But like I said, my goal is to finish The Year of the Witching very soon so I can start Snow by Orhan Pamuk. So anyway, I'm gonna put this away. It's currently blizzarding out so much. It's snowstorming, so that's a very nice companion for bed. And I will see you tomorrow. just fell in a hole. I just fell in a hole. Oh man. Good evening, guys. Welcome to Tuesday. It's currently 4:50. The sun is just going down. All right, so me and my acne are here to tell you some reading updates. I finished The Year of the Witching by Alexis Henderson, and thank goodness I was so ready for this book to be over a long time ago. I ended up giving this 2.75, 2.8 stars. Honestly, a really big letdown. I'll speak more about it in my wrap-up. Because I finished The Year of the Witching, that means I'm gonna be starting Snow by Pamuk. I might start it tonight because I'm so excited. I have such high hopes for this book. I really would love to find a 5-star read this month. Julius Caesar might take that spot, but I'm hoping to find something else, so I'm really, really excited to start Snow, and it is a perfect day for it. So I'm gonna either start this right now or finish my 14 pages of the Pickwick Papers because I haven't read any of this yet today. Okay, so I'm gonna take my books with me, sit and stare at the snow. So I don't think I've ever been this excited to have a full screen just to browse Libby, but this is currently, I thought I'd show you guys what I currently have in. So I have Snow, which I just talked about, so I'm gonna start that tonight, and then I have The Diviners in by Libba Bray. Like, I did start this and I wasn't really a fan. It's a very long audiobook, so I don't think I'm gonna finish it. It's like 20 hours long, so I should just be a good person and return it. Maybe I'll get to it some other time. Okay, you know when you start a book and you literally get 2 or 3 pages in and you just know, it's the book for you. You know you're gonna love it. You know it's gonna potentially become a new favorite. Yeah, that would be this one. I finished reading my pages of Pickwick about a half hour ago, and since then I've been listening to Snow. I am literally 6 pages into this. It's also really special because the audiobook narrator, the version I have, is the same guy who narrated 100 Years of Solitude by Marquez, which was my favorite book of 2020. So it's just nice to be back with his voice, and like I am loving this. Like I think this could, I don't know, it's 6 pages in, but like I have, you know that feeling you get when you start a book and you just know. Yeah. So I'm really, really excited about this one. Good morning. Do you like the snow? Hi. Is he gonna come out? Oh.
He's thinking about it.
He's like, nah, it's too cold today.
Oh.
Hi guys. So today is Thursday. I don't think we've spoken yet today, but I've been kind of flipping and flopping back and forth today between being really busy and being really sleepy and demotivated. I've not been getting good night's sleeps this week, which is sad. I literally put on jeans. I put on jeans to try and keep myself awake and be productive. I've not worn jeans in so long. It does not feel good. I don't know how I'll ever go back to being able to wear jeans regularly because I kind of hate it. But it's around 6 o'clock right now and I really need to eat some food, but I have like a huge craving for vegan hot dogs right now. Just incredibly random, but like that's the only thing I want to eat are these vegan hot dogs. So I'm gonna go to the grocery store right now, pick up these vegan hot dogs, come back, eat them, and then I need to read the Pickwick Papers today. I already read my portion of Julius Caesar, still loving it. Such a good play to come back to every day. I'm really happy I'm dragging it out for as long as possible. I'm gonna talk a little bit about snow because I've not read any more since Tuesday. However, there's already so much in here that is just so incredible. Oh my gosh. So like I know this book is called Snow, right? But there's already been, I think I'm gonna have to stop keeping track of it actually, because there's already been about like 30 mentions of snow in 10 pages, like words like snow. Actually, let me just give you some examples because it's so impactful. The silence of snow, thought the man sitting just behind the bus driver. If this were the beginning of a poem, he would have called the thing he felt inside him the silence of snow. A snowy, stormy 2-day journey. It began to snow. It was heavier and thicker than the snow he'd seen. Snowflakes, blizzard. Years later, he would still recall the extraordinary beauty of the snow that night. It snows only once in our dreams, as he watched the snow fall outside his window, as slowly and silently as the snow in a dream. When the blizzard got so bad that the wipers could no longer keep the snow. Once caked with snow, the road signs were impossible to read. When the snowstorm began to rage in earnest, the snow-covered streets, standing in the snow. It was a blizzard, the snow-covered streets of cars. It was as if everything had been erased, lost beneath the snow, through the frozen windows of the bus, as his foot sank into the soft blanket of snow. He'd booked a room at the Snow Palace Hotel. I think you get the point. Like, I could go on and on and on for a really long time. But obviously snow is going to play a huge role in this book called Snow. But it is about this poet named Ka, and he's back after 12 years. I think he's been in exile in Germany. He's back in Turkey. He is now traveling to the city of Kars, which is much changed since he was last there, and everything is different now that he's been away for so long, and it is snowing profusely. And there's a woman that he is interested in seeing again, one of his old classmates from school. I think she's recently divorced, and he tells people that he's going there to report on some things that are going down in the, I think, religious and political community, but he's not a reporter at all. He's a poet. So I'm not really sure what else is going to happen, but the writing style is so wonderful. The author is like very much kind of a character, because the author is presenting himself as one of Ka's friends, like a person who knows him deeply and intimately, and it's very much kind of a cheeky, kind of breaking the fourth wall kind of narrative voice, which like I really like, because like our main character will fall asleep on the bus or something, and then the narrator will be like, okay, now that he's asleep, let us talk, you and I, let me tell you some biographical details or something like that. So I don't know, I just really like the tone, and I'm loving the writing, and I think it's gonna be incredible. So I'm going to listen to more of this tonight, definitely. I kind of filmed a little bit of a video today, but I was mostly just feeling really demotivated, so I need to get it back. I need to get a better sleep tonight. And I've been listening a lot to Deadly Dreams. This book, there's a lot going on in it. We have quite like the big cast of characters, and we just met a few more people. A lot of Deadly Dreams. I don't think this is a spoiler. I'm pretty sure it's not, because like I don't really know what's going on with it, but the Wild Hunt is in Deadly Dreams. I don't really know a lot about the Wild Hunt. I kept like asking myself, where the heck have I like heard this before, because I've definitely heard this before, and then I was like, yeah, The Witcher. But the Wild Hunt in Deadly Dreams is different, and there's just way more problems. Every time you think the characters in Fortuna Sworn are gonna catch a break, they just catch more problems, and it's just, oh my gosh, I just care about them so much now, which is incredible. But yes, okay, I'm really hungry, my tummy's rumbling. Let's go get some gourmet hot dogs. I literally just got back, just walked through the door. Very cold. I really went out there for the hot dogs. Okay, got some popcorn because I was out of popcorn, so very happy about that. I also got some frozen French fries. I also got some soy chocolate milk, got some frozen veggies, the essential hot dog buns, and then I actually got two different kinds because I wasn't sure which I really wanted. We're gonna compare them, I guess. Ooh, hot dog segment. Okay, we have the Eve's Veggie Cuisine Family Pack. Family of one. And then we also got the Light Life Smart Dogs plant-based hot dogs. So I guess we will compare and contrast. Last couple of things, I got lemons, nope, a lime and some lemons, nope, some limes and a lemon. Why is that so hard? And some hummus, a big thing of hummus. I like cuisine. All right, so we have one, I think this one is the Eves, and then this one is the Light Life, and then this one I put vegan beef and some veggies and stuff and onions on it. So I guess I don't really get to compare. Maybe I'll do like a little bite off the ends, and then we'll compare the two, and we'll see. The wine is a really great combo as well. Love it. Okay, so this one is the Light Life. I actually don't want the bun. It's pretty good. And then this one is Eves. Definitely the Eves. Definitely the Eves. It's like, they're both pretty similar, but I think the Eves just has more flavor, and it tastes worse. Like, it tastes more like a normal hot dog, and to me, normal hot dogs taste really bad, but like, that's what I want right now. That's what I'm craving. So like, it's definitely gotta be the Eves for me. The Light Life is a bit more like It tries to be a little bit more sophisticated, but that's not what you're really going for with a hot dog. Alright, hi guys, welcome to Friday. It is Friday, it is the end of the week, so I'm going to be closing off today's vlog, but not right now because I still have a lot of things to do today. But I wanted to give you some reading updates, and I wanted to show you guys and thank you guys for some stuff that came in my P.O. box as well. I got some really lovely letters, and the language in the letters, and it was wonderful. So I just want to say a huge thank you and give a huge hug to Eleanor, Simona, and Thibaut. And as well, I got really absolutely stunning pieces of art from the shop. I will leave their Instagram account as well as their Etsy store down below. They're called Foggy Craft. And you sent me a dark academia set of stickers, bookmarks, and art and prints, so thank you so much. Which should I start with? Can I show you guys the stickers first? I think I want to show you the stickers first. Okay, these are so cute. So we have a globe. I have no idea where I'm gonna put these, but I absolutely adore these. We also have, this one's probably my favorite. I love these chess pieces. I think they're gorgeous. I especially love the knight. I'm just in love with that. And then we have a skull, which I just love. Oh my gosh. And I'll show you the two prints next. This one is gorgeous. Look at this. We have like a typewriter, and then we have a skull in the background as well. Oh my gosh, but wait. Look at this. Thank you so much. You are so freaking talented. I adore this. Now I'm gonna, like, my art wall is just expanding so much, and I'm gonna have to do some like rearranging and stuff today. I think I want to find some frames for these because these are just absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. I love this. I love this so much. So thank you so much. I'll show you guys the bookmarks later as well because they're currently in my bookmark jar, and I'm probably gonna be using some of them today because I'm planning my reading schedule out a little bit for March. That's what I was kind of working on filming yesterday as well. So thank you so unbelievably much. You guys are just incredible, and it's just so nice to be like kind of surrounded by books and bookmarks and art like from you all. It's really it's very, I feel very loved. That's what I'm trying to say, and I love it so much. So thank you. All right, should we try to get into the reading updates? Let's try it. Let's start with Rilke, because you guys know I've been reading this every single day. Today is February 19th, so let's see what we have for today. Today's quite short. It's called There Is No Image, and this is from the Book of Hours as well. I want to utter you. I want to portray you not with lapis or gold, but with colors made of apple bark. There is no image I could invent that your presence would not eclipse. That is very nice, Rilke, as always. So yeah, this has just been a really nice companion to have, and I love it so much. This was also in my P.O. box, I think I mentioned, so thank you so much. I do want to say as well, did I mention, if you guys did send me a book or anything like kind of bookish like that, I did recently film a book haul that will be out to you, I think, after this video. So if you did send me a book, chances are I probably have it. And then I did film a book haul, so that will be coming soon. Okay, I need to read some more Julius Caesar today. The part I'm up to now, Caesar just got murdered. I don't think that's really a spoiler. I mean, I think we know Caesar gets murdered. And now people are kind of scrambling because Cassius and Brutus were debating whether they should let Mark Antony live, who's very close with Caesar and Brutus. Brutus just thinks he's doing like the right thing throughout this whole play, and it's so heartbreaking because yes, Caesar is so ambitious, and like his ambition and his greed and his lust for power is the main thing that precipitates his downfall, but Brutus thinks he's doing it for Rome. He's helping Rome. He's protecting Rome from Caesar's ambition, because the start of this play, there's much whisper and there's much kind of murmurings that Caesar is going to be king, and instead now of this kind of dictator, he's going to take on and revert Rome back to a monarchy, which is what it was at first, and kind of abolish the republic and just return back to a monarchy. But as we know, it kind of goes the other way and we drift into empire instead. But regardless, they've let Mark Antony live because Brutus is like, no, we just want you to know we did this. I did this out of the good of my heart, not because I loved Caesar less, but because I loved Rome more. And it's so sad. And meanwhile, Cassius is just over there like, kill him now. But Brutus is just, it doesn't go well for him. Like, I think we know this as well, but Mark Antony now has just declared war, like secretly, privately, over Caesar's corpse, because he's demanded to be let speak at Caesar's funeral. And Brutus is like, yes, of course you can speak at his funeral if I speak first. But it's just, like, we know Mark Antony's funeral speech. I haven't got there yet, but people say that like it gives them chills and that it's incredible. So I'm really looking forward to that part. But I think I just made it to scene 2 of Act 3, I believe. So gonna be finishing this up pretty soon. But like I said, I do need to read some more of this today. Absolutely loving it. Is there any quote I want to leave you with right now? Caesar has a nice little speech. There was also so much warning that precipitates Caesar's assassination because like the augurs, the prophets, his wife has dreams cautioning him to just stay at home, don't go to work today, honey, and he doesn't listen. Anyway, Caesar says, cowards die many times before their deaths. The valiant never taste of death but once. Of all the wonders that I yet have heard, it seems to me most strange that men should fear, seeing that death, a necessary end, will come when it will come. Caesar is a little bit, I think, I don't know, he seems to me, he wasn't kind of the character that I thought Shakespeare was going to portray him as. He doesn't actually have very many lines in the play named Caesar, which I think is something so interesting and so well done, because Caesar is one of the characters that speaks the least in Julius Caesar. And of course he's assassinated in Act 3, he just died and he's out of the way. So like the Caesar, like Julius Caesar the person, isn't really, I think, what Julius Caesar the title and like this play is about, because Caesar, the name Caesar, is just so embodying and encompasses so more than just this person who like speaks very little, isn't actually like a big figure in this play, you could argue, because most of it is just these outside forces wrestling around this power, this kind of formless, figureless power essence that is Caesar, and that in the Roman Republic is ambition and greed and the rise and hunger for power and for dominion over the land and the people. And it's just kind of something beyond this one person now. And so I think that's kind of why a little bit Caesar doesn't really have a huge part in here, because it's not really about him anymore. Like he's eclipsed himself, he's outlived himself, and now his name is forever just this synonym and holds a meaning outside of himself. Like it's no longer a one-to-one reference between name and person. It's now name and this whole idea and this whole philosophy and just everything. So I think that's so cool. It's so cool. Anyway, that's my little thing on Caesar for today. So I'm gonna read more of that. Last night I read a lot of the Pickwick Papers. I think I got to my favorite part so far in the Pickwick Papers, which I'll just tell you is chapter 11, I think. Yes, chapter 11, and then in that we have a little part called the Madman's Manuscript, or A Madman's Manuscript, and that's been my favorite part of this whole book so far. It's going really well, so that is the Pickwick Papers. I don't know what it is. I have not read any more of Snow. I think it's because I've been really busy and I have a lot of books on the go, and of course I am putting like the book club books ahead because those are the priority, and like I'm loving them, so that's fine. But I do really want to get into this. I'm just a little bit like intimidated about it because I really want to give this all of my love, all of my attention, all of my brain, all of myself, because I think I could like really lose myself in this book. It feels like I'm getting that kind of like feeling of literature that I got with 100 Years of Solitude, which is so exciting. It's also a little bit scary though, because it feels like a book just has so much power to like, itchy, drag you into it and like lose yourself very easily in a book like this with this much power. So that's what I'm kind of like worried about, but also very much looking forward to. So I'm gonna try and read a little bit more of this today because I would love to finish this in February. I don't know if that's gonna happen because I'm reading a lot of things right now. So yes, Deadly Dreams, still loving so much. I just want Colith and Fortuna to be happy. That's all I want. Anyway, I have a lot to do today, so let's get down to business. First things first, I'm gonna put all these books away, tidy up my kind of like office little desk space a little bit, because this morning was spent vacuuming, sweeping, dishes, cleaning the counters, laundry, making the bed, pretty much everything. So like it's fantastically clean in here, except for my books are everywhere as usual, but that is a mess I am willing to embrace and love. So yeah, okay, let's go over there, let's clean. I also want to go for a walk today. I want to try to send a little bit of mail out today. I have a birthday present I want to get out to someone special, and yeah, so okay, let's do it. Alright guys, so I came on my walk of the day and I'm very happy that it is snowing. Also my like pepper earrings matches my backpack. I really love these. My friend made these for me. And it's snowing. I think it's around like 3 or something. I'm probably gonna get back, have yet another hot dog. I think I'm just gonna be eating hot dogs for forever now, because you guys know I got a lot of them, so that's fine. I'll probably get sick of that soon, but yeah, I finished Julius Caesar right before I came out here, or I finished the section I was meant to read. That was really good. I'm in the middle of Antony's funeral speech. Wow, listen to that. It is wonderful. I'm gonna miss the snow so badly when it goes. So badly. I did see a few deer out here last time, but it's too late now, so. Anyway, I'm gonna read the Pickwick Papers today. I'm gonna try to read Snow a little bit. And for right now, I'm just gonna enjoy the snow. Listen to those birds. And then we'll get back in. I'll probably have a nap, crash on the couch because I'm getting sleepy. And then I will close off the vlog. So, yes. Very noisy. He's coming to me because I have almonds. Do you want to try? Do you like those or no? There you go. Oh my gosh. Hi. What's your name? You're beautiful. Guys, I made a friend. Okay, I have to go now. You can't come with me. Okay, see you. Alright, guys, me and my staticky hair are going to sign off of this vlog. It is 5:15 now. I'm listening more to KJ Sutton's book, and I'm just about to finish up editing the Q&A that I uploaded. It's quite the crazy mess, honestly, because I was just really stressed out the whole time building the computer, and consequently it's also been a mess to edit. So that's what I'm gonna try finish up tonight, and then I need to get this vlog done a little bit sooner because I have to get it approved. And on that note, thank you once again, Glasses USA, and like I said, the links are in the description box for all of the glasses that I mentioned. So I hope you guys have a really wonderful week, I guess, that you're seeing this. I hope so far your week has been good, and I will talk to you very soon in my next video